Hello and welcome. It's that time of the year again when we all dream of White Christmas. And this year in particular, we can only dream, especially for all of those in Asia, we can only dream of snow because it is impossible to travel anywhere at this time during the pandemic. But anyway, not to worry, let us celebrate Christmas with some special White Christmas recipes. Today, I am going to show you a special White Christmas recipe, and I am going to use white chocolate as my base for this year. Last year, I made the White Christmas Frappe using cheesecake. Well, White Christmas, white chocolate, perfect combination. So, for the ingredients for this recipe that I'm going to show you, we are going to use fresh milk. You can use any brand that you like. We are going to make use of white chocolate sauce. I'm using a Da Vinci white chocolate sauce. I have run out of my own homemade white chocolate sauce. And to make everything taste better and smell better, vanilla syrup. We are going to make White Christmas Frappe for two different cup sizes. One is the 16 ounces and the other is the 22 ounces. So to measure the ice that you will be using, just fill your cup full of ice and that should be enough for your drink. Now, because this is Frappe, it's a little bit more icy than your regular milkshake or smoothie. Now, we will also use our Frappe Base, and because we want it to be a special treat, we are going to make use of our white chocolate whipped cream. We made this in another video tutorial. Please check the link above. And finally, to put the icing on the cake, we are going to use white chocolate chips. So let's get started by making our white chocolate or White Christmas Frappe using the 16 ounces cup. And finally, we are going to put our Frappe Base. Now, why do you need Frappe Base to put in your Frappe? The reason is because it makes your drink smoother and it blends well, and also it tastes better and smells better. So do not skip on your Frappe. Include a Frappe Base to all your Frappe drinks. And then let's pop this in the blender. Okay, here comes our 16-ounce Frappe. White Christmas Frappe using 16 ounces. I'm going to pop this in the freezer for a while, and then we're going to continue with our 22 ounces White Christmas Frappe. For the 22 ounces cups, very similar, but we just put a little bit more of our white chocolate. So I'm going to put 2 ounces of fresh milk into my blend. And then this time, I'm going to put 2.5 ounces or 75 ml of white chocolate. It's very sweet, but it's a treat. So let's put, actually, look, it's 30 ml for 1 pump. So it is correct. The calibration is correct. Let me put it there. And then now I'm going to put another pump, so 2.5 pump. So that's another 30 and another half a pump of white chocolate. So that is 2.5 ounces of white chocolate, and then we are going to use the same 15 ml of our vanilla syrup. So 1, 2, 3, that is 15 ml because each pump is 5 ml, and then we put our Frappe Base, which is important for this. Just about, I'm using a scoop here, so I'm not going to fill up the whole scoop, I just need 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon of my Frappe Base into the blend, and we are ready to blend. So let's put our ice into our blender, and now ready to blend. Well, if this is not white enough, I don't know what else to say. It's perfectly white. I just love white Christmas. Moment of truth. This is really, really ice cold. Just came off the freezer. It tastes like ice cream. White chocolate Christmas Frappe. This is perfect, delicious. You must give this a try. And now for our 22 ounces. Absolutely like ice cream. If you're looking for some white Christmas treats at home for your Christmas holidays, try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.